Hey everyone! Okay, let's just dive right into this because it is absolutely fascinating. Today, we're bringing you a highly requested explainer that sets up, well, pretty much the ultimate financial showdown. We're looking at traditional wealth going head-to-head with the digital frontier. We're strictly analyzing the source material here to answer one of the most hotly debated questions in modern finance: gold versus Bitcoin. Which one is actually the better investment? We're going to break this all down completely impartially, looking at the exact pros, cons, and unique characteristics of both to see how they really stack up.
All right, I want you to picture this scenario. You suddenly have 1 lakh rupees to invest. Like today, where do you actually put it? Would you buy gold or would you go for Bitcoin? Which one is actually safer and which one has the real potential to give you a higher return? This is exactly the dilemma we're going to unpack today using clear, straightforward facts.
So, here's our roadmap for today. First, the investment dilemma. 2, gold and its centuries of trust. 3, Bitcoin's new digital technology. 4, a head-to-head comparison. And 5, deciding what is right for you.
Let's start with Section 1, the investment dilemma. Where should you park your savings? Moving right along to Section 2, gold, the traditional safe haven.
You know, gold's legacy isn't just about history, right? It's really about the financial mechanics. While its price definitely does fluctuate, everything does, its defining characteristic as an asset is its incredibly low volatility. It basically acts as a super reliable anchor whenever there's an economic storm brewing.
When you look at the pros, the advantages of gold are almost deeply psychological. It offers uniquely stable value that's backed by the literal, long-standing trust of global markets over thousands of years. Plus, it exists in a physical form. And honestly, there is just an unmatched comfort in an asset you can literally hold in your own 2 hands.
But actually, that physical nature, it's kind of a double-edged sword. Holding physical gold means you need concrete and, very often expensive, arrangements for safe storage. And if you're a person looking to multiply your wealth overnight, well, gold's traditional stability means your returns are definitely not going to be exceptionally fast.
All right, Section 3, Bitcoin, the volatile digital frontier.
Now, Bitcoin operates in a completely, totally different reality. As a purely digital crypto asset, its absolute defining characteristic is extreme price fluctuation. I mean, it literally thrives on volatility.
And honestly, this volatility is exactly what draws investors in. It offers the rare potential for massive, explosive returns in a really short window of time. Because it's completely digital, it completely transcends borders. You can trade globally in an instant without ever needing to worry about a physical vault.
But, and this is a big but, those high rewards come at a really steep cost. The price can plummet just as rapidly as it peaks. You are directly trading the historical, proven stability of gold for a significantly higher risk profile in exchange for that potential rapid growth.
Which brings us to Section 4, gold versus Bitcoin, the head-to-head comparison.
So, when we put these two side by side, the contrast is literally night and day. On one hand, you're weighing gold's low-risk, physical stability and long-standing trust. And on the other, you've got Bitcoin's high-risk, digital volatility and cutting-edge tech. It's pretty much the ultimate battle of endurance versus explosive potential.
Finally, Section 5, what is right for you, aligning assets with your financial goals.
Ultimately, look, if your absolute priority is wealth preservation, lower risk and steady stability, gold remains the heavyweight champion, for sure. But if you have the appetite to weather extreme high risk for potentially massive returns, well, Bitcoin demands consideration. Interestingly, though, many modern investors don't even treat this as an either-or scenario. Instead, they're intelligently building a balanced portfolio that leverages a mix of both.
So that really leaves us with one essential question to ask yourselves. What is your specific investment strategy and your personal risk capacity? Because there is no universal winner here, guys, only the asset that best fits your financial reality. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this breakdown helps you navigate your next big investment.